High protein honey barbecue chicken and creamy garlic parmesan potatoes. Only 580 calories, packed with so much flavor, so easy and perfect to meal prep for the week. Slice your chicken breast into cubes, season with garlic powder, smoked paprika, cumin, salt, black pepper, and olive oil. If the color doesn't change, it's not well seasoned. Next, slice your potatoes into small cubes just like this. Season them with salt, Italian herbs, smoked paprika, garlic and onion powder, grated parmesan, olive oil. Give them a good mix, then oven bake or air fry for 20 minutes till beautifully golden. Now cook your chicken in light butter for 5 minutes per side till golden and crispy. Lower the heat, add a drizzle of honey, barbecue sauce and fresh parsley. Give it a good mix till juicy and delicious, then set the chicken aside. Add blended cottage cheese and milk with Italian herbs, garlic powder and parmesan. Stir till smooth, then drop your crispy potatoes. Mix till fully coated and indulgent. Finally, serve with the honey barbecue chicken and your delicious high-protein meals are ready to enjoy. Delicious high-protein meals to lose weight, these Bang Bang chicken rice balls are incredibly delicious, only 590 calories, so easy and perfect for meal prep. Slice your chicken thighs into cubes, season with salt, black pepper, garlic and onion powder, smoked paprika, ginger powder, and olive oil. Mix till the color changes. Then for the Bang Bang sauce, you need light mayo, fat-free yogurt, sweet chili sauce, sriracha, rice vinegar, and fresh parsley. Mix till smooth. Then lay down your chicken. Add a thin layer of the Bang Bang sauce. Then oven bake or air fry for 25 minutes till golden and crispy just like this. Add a final coating of the sauce until perfectly juicy and delicious. Then add butter to a pan with chopped garlic and onion. Cook for 5 minutes till soft before adding this extra seasoning with shredded coconut. Mix till fragrant, then add leftover cooked rice with lemon zest and lemon juice. Then give it a final mix until perfectly fluffy just like this. Finally, serve with the Bang Bang chicken and your high-protein meals. Delicious high-protein grilled chicken Alfredo pasta, all for 590 calories. So creamy and flavorful, easy to make, and perfect to meal prep for the week ahead. Slice your chicken breast into cubes, season with salt, Italian herbs, parsley, chili flakes, garlic powder, paprika, and olive oil. Mix till the color changes, then cook the chicken in light butter for 6 to 8 minutes till golden brown and crispy. Add some more butter and mix, then set the chicken aside. In the same pan, add chopped garlic and onion, cook for 5 minutes, then add extra seasoning. Mix well, then add tomato sauce, cook till it thickens before adding evaporated milk, light cream cheese and parmesan. Stir till it thickens, then add your cooked pasta. Mix till creamy and indulgent, then serve with the grilled chicken, and voila, your high protein meals.